Are you worried about the ups and downs of the stock market and how it could impact your retirement savings? Reducing stock market risk in your retirement portfolio is something every retiree should consider, especially if you want to enjoy peace of mind during your golden years. Today, we're going to cover how to reduce those risks using low-risk investments so your hard-earned money isn't constantly exposed to market volatility. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll share a simple strategy that could help you protect your wealth even more effectively. If you're serious about reducing your stock market risk, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. It's a free guide that explains why thousands of American retirees are using Gold IRAs to protect their wealth. Definitely something you should look into if you want to secure your retirement. Now let's dive in. The first thing to consider when reducing risk in your portfolio is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can protect yourself from the sharp swings of individual stocks. For example, instead of putting all your savings into equities, consider a mix of bonds, dividend-paying stocks, and even real estate investments. Each asset type responds differently to market conditions, which can help balance your overall risk. But let me be clear, while bonds and dividend stocks are a good start, they don't always protect against severe market downturns. And that's why it's important to think beyond traditional investment options. Low-risk alternatives like Gold IRAs can offer you a safe haven from market volatility. Gold has a long history of retaining its value, even when stocks are crashing. It's a great option for retirees looking for stability. Another key strategy is income-generating investments. You can reduce your risk by choosing investments that provide regular income streams, like bonds, preferred stocks, or annuities. These can offer a predictable cash flow, which is especially important in retirement when you're no longer adding to your savings. But again, I want to emphasize, while these are good, low-risk options, they're not immune to inflation and other risks. This is where Gold IRAs become a strong contender. What about real estate? Real estate can also help you reduce risk in your portfolio. Investing in property can provide both income and long-term growth potential. And if you're someone who likes to get more hands-on with your investments, you could explore rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. However, the challenge with real estate is that it's not as liquid as stocks or bonds, and managing property can be time-consuming and costly. That's why pairing it with more stable options like Gold IRAs is worth considering. Let's talk about another important aspect: preserving purchasing power. Inflation is one of the biggest risks retirees face. While traditional investments may seem low risk, inflation can erode the value of your returns over time. Gold, on the other hand, has historically outperformed inflation and maintained its purchasing power. That's why more and more retirees are turning to Gold IRAs as a way to protect their wealth from rising prices and maintain their standard of living in retirement. If you're someone with $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even more substantial savings, like $5 million or more, you should definitely take a closer look at how a Gold IRA can fit into your retirement strategy. By allocating a portion of your portfolio to gold, you could reduce the impact of stock market volatility and safeguard your wealth for the long term. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is that you don't have to accept the full risk of the stock market. With diversification, low-risk investments like bonds, dividend stocks, real estate, and most importantly, Gold IRAs, you can significantly reduce your exposure and protect your retirement savings. Gold has proven itself over time as a stable store of value, making it a solid choice for those who want to protect their wealth in the face of market uncertainty. So, if you're serious about securing your future, especially if you have a large nest egg of 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide linked in the description. It's the perfect resource for American retirees who want to take control of their financial future and protect their wealth against market risk. Click that link to learn why thousands of retirees are choosing Gold IRAs to safeguard their money. Don't let market risk eat away at your savings. Take action today.